My name is Noah and I work at Porsche Centre Gold Coast.
I'm Jordan Skelton and I work at Porsche Centre Gold Coast.
My name's Jordan Tamaki and I work at Porsche Gold Coast.
I'm a first year apprentice, soon to be technician.
My role is apprentice technician.
I started working at Porsche Centre Gold Coast in December of 2024.
I applied for a few different places and then heard back from Porsche first and then had 3 or 4 interviews with Wade and then got the job. So
I applied for the apprenticeship program at Porsche because I wanted to work on the cutting edge of cars and automotive technology.
I've worked for Porsche Centre Gold Coast for probably a bit over a year and a half.
on my first day I was excited. I was a little bit nervous, but the boys made me, Jordan, feel comfortable.
When I first stepped into the workshop, I felt overwhelmed but excited. I love the people that I work with here and the environment that is built around us.
The best thing about working here is the models of cars you get to work on, like the higher end 911s, GT3s.
I'm excited to learn the ins and out of all of the GT models.
My proudest moment would have to be you get given a toolbox after a year, so that was really cool.
Some advice I'd give to the people wanting to apply to the apprenticeship program is have confidence in yourself, trust the process and just embrace it.
Don't think too much about it and just be yourself.
So what led me to want to apply for the program was I love cars for one, and then secondly I wanted to be working on the high performance luxury end of cars.
When you're working for a brand like Porsche, it's exciting to wake up in the morning and go to work.
I'm really honoured to be a part of the Porsche Centre Gold Coast team.